Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay. Yan ang ating titingnan. Okay, so again, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga items. Okay, so yes, again, kailangan kong ipakita dahil meron tayong mga bago palaging followers and subscribers. Okay, so yeah, we do have evil eye protection. So, meron tayong ring. This is adjustable, yung ring natin. Okay? And, syempre, meron din tayong bracelets and necklace. Okay? So, ito siya. Ito sila. Okay? Lahat sila ay unisex, by the way. Okay? So, yung ating dalawang sample ng evil eye bracelets. So, isa is adjustable, yung isa is yung garterized. Ganito yung pendant ng garterized. Okay? So, ganyan po. And yung atin namang adjustable is ganyan. So, meron siyang 5 colors, no, ng ating evil eye protection. And, meron po siyang initial. Okay? Initial po ng magmamayari ang ilalagay po, ha? And yeah, yung ating evil eye necklace. So, yung necklace natin is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, yeah, this is unisex, 16 to 18 inches long, kasama po yung extender. Okay, yun ang haba ng chain. Okay, pwede po kayong gumamit ng ibang chain kung gusto. And yes, yung ating newly improved, the 2-in-1 love and money bracelet natin. So, meron na po siyang citrine. Okay, so ganyan siya. Meron na siyang citrine stone. So, it's like the merchant stone. So, ginagamit siya for business, career, work, okay, for more sales, parang ganyan, more customers, more income, okay, increase, mga ganyan. And syempre, para mas maging maganda po yung connection ninyo. Okay, mas magkaroon ng harmony, union, parang ganyan, no? So, the 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. Okay, so yes, pwede sa single kung ang inyong gusto is makahanap ng magandang ka-connect, mga ganyan po, no? So, kung ikaw naman, ang gusto mo lang gamit is yung pera, para lang sa pera, pwede rin, okay? So, kung ikaw lalaki, gusto mo ng 2-in-1 natin na love and money bracelet, pwede nyo ilagay sa red pouch, okay? Red pouch po, ha? So, ganyan siya. Ganda nito sa personal. Oo. So, and again, I need your real name. Okay? Dito sa ating bracelet na to. Okay? And yeah, yung ating granter necklace. Taga-grant ng inyong mga minamanifest. Visa. Okay? Yan, mga ganyan. Manalo sa korte, manalo sa kaso, makapasa, ma-hired, mabigyan ng promotion, increase, mga ganong bagay. So, yan, dito siya hinihiling o nung iba na nagmamayari po ng ating tawag dyan, granter. So, si granter po kasi is taga-grant, okay, ng mga minamanifest ninyo. So, this is made to order. Okay, wala po kayong mabibilhan na ganyan, nakapareho, kasi ako po yung gumawa nung nandito. Okay, na nasa pendant. Ako po yung gumawa mismo. And syempre, yung ating weekly surprises. Meron palagi na ibibigay si granter na weekly surprises. Para sa iyo. Weekly. Okay, mahina na ang isang beses sa isang linggo. Aside pa po, sa mga minamanifest. Yes. Okay, this is non-tarnish. 20 inches long ang chain. Pero kung gusto nyo gumamit ng ibang chain, pwede naman. Pero maganda naman yung chain nito. This is 2 years na. Okay, sa akin. Okay, so again, gamitan po at samahan po ng evil eye protection. Okay, ang paggamit po ng granter necklace and ng ating 2-in-1 bracelet. Okay, and syempre, pwede rin naman ito Pwede rin naman to. Itong ating pangtanggal, pangalis, MALAS, pangtaboy, okay, ng alat. Yan. Kung sino man, kung ano man ang nagbibigay sa'yo nun, iaalis niya para sa kagaanan, para sa mas maganda na energy, pamumuhay. Pwede po sa bahay, sa front door, pwede sa business, pwedeng pang sariling gamit. Kailangan ko po ulit ng real name. Okay? So, yun lang ang pinaka-importante rin dito sa ating mga items. Okay, and charms. Anyway, so let's see. Let's check. Okay, let's start the reading. Air signs. Okay, Gemini, Libra, Aqua. What's for you? Gusto ko makakuha nung specific lang talaga. Okay, gusto ko yung makakuha nung specific lang. Ayoko nung general. Sa ngayon, oo. Na ating reading na ito. Sa ating reading na to, gusto ko specific. Anong meron for air signs? 8 of Cups inversed. The 6 of Cups. May bibisita sa'yo, may dadalaw sa'yo. Pwedeng water sign. Okay? Yung ex mo, namimiss ka ngayon. They miss you. Ex mo na water sign. That's specific, not for all. Okay? Yeah, don't get too hung up pagdating sa ating mga zodiac sign na binabanggit. This is just energy. Okay? So, yeah, this could be any sign anyway. Merong dadalaw sa'yo. Yeah, surprise. Nadadalaw or may surpresang parang magme-message sa'yo. Uy, parang naalala ako bigla. Parang ganon. I don't know kung anong dahilan. Okay, ayaw nating gawing masyadong specific na. Pero yeah, I'm hearing and I'm seeing na merong kukonect sa'yo or merong makikipag-reconnect. This could be romantic, casual, yeah, friends. Okay? Don't forget. Meron ako don't forget. Kasi may nakikita ko dito parang may malilimutan. Hindi ko alam kung ano to, ha. I don't know. Some of you, the reason why they're resurfacing is because baka nalilimutan ako ni air sign. Teka. Parang ganon. Anyway, what else for air signs? Pwede may mga malilimutan kayo. Babalikan nyo. Strength in reversed. How's your health? Okay, I'm hearing improvement. Lalo na yung nagkaroon ng sakit lately. Nagkasakit. Like, simpleng sipon, simpleng sakit. Nakakuha ko ng pwede may mag-i-improve. Magiging okay. Yeah, this is health. Sabihin nating improving. Okay? The Queen of Pentacles, kailangan po ng kauntian talaga na alaga pa. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, that's for only for those na nagkaroon ng sakit nitong nakaraan. Okay? May matutuloy na lakad. May matutuloy pong lakad. What else? Two of Wands. Page of Wands. Ang nakikita ko naman dito is specific rin pagdating po sa business. Okay, may chance na parang may delay in general. Okay po, kung ano man ang meron pagdating sa kung ano mang hinihintay ninyo pagdating dyan sa business, kung ano man ang pinagkakitaan nyo, may kaunti ang delay ako nakikita. Anong meron? Ano tong Two of Wands? What's with that delay? Anong cause ng delay? Ten of Cups. Death. Okay, so I'm hearing, sabihin nating regarding family. Okay, I don't know. Para may ganyan, family matter. Could be. I don't know, Pwedeng may magkakasabay na schedule, something like that. Yeah, Page of Cups. Para may magkakasabay na schedule. Meron ako dito nakikita ipapakilala sa magulang. That's specific. Yung jowa ipapakilala sa magulang. Parang ganun, magiging open. Yes! O, diba? So, yun, ang aking mga nakikita. Yung ex na nakikita ko, na namimiss ka, may chance pong mag-reach out. Could be this week. Okay? Pwedeng ngayong week. So, next. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag. So, what is for our fire signs? Again, please don't forget, na mag-share, subscribe, follow, at mag-like. Okay po? So, yun lang, aking hinihiling dito habang kayo ay nanonood. Oo. So, fire signs, what is for you? Gusto ko mga specific. Ayoko ng general. Sa totoo lang. Diba? Para tayo nagpe-predict na. Oo. So, let's see. Yeah, kaya nga may prediction. Let's see. Ten of Swords. And the Three of Wands in reverse. This is katamaran. No? Andun yung energy na ayoko munang gawin to. O, ayoko muna. So, energy ng procrastination. So, I don't know. Some of you may absent sa trabaho or may absent sa school. Parang ganyan. Ayoko muna. Oh, parang ganyan. Okay? So, pwedeng meron ding hindi susulpot sa napag-usapang schedule. Parang ganyan. May iba sa plano. May iba pa sa plano kung ano man yan na naka-schedule na. What else? The Eight of Wands in reverse. Delays. Ace of Pentacles. Okay. So, some of you, may chance na pwedeng meron kayong hindi nababasang mensaheng napaka-importante. Okay? This is too important. Kailangan yung mabasa to. Some of you, hindi nyo pa nababasa. Okay? Or merong pwedeng isang maging issue kasi hindi mag-go through. Oo, parang ganon. Yung message sa'yo, I don't know. Could be a wrong email, a wrong number. May mahalaga dito. Double check, please. Double check kung kayo ay nagkaroon ng mga transactions with somebody. Okay? So, tingnan ninyo kasi parang may delay or issue na pwedeng mangyari pagdating sa transaction na to. Parang may maiipit, parang may mag-float, parang ganyan, float, or pwedeng sa ibang sa iba may papadala ang mensahe, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? So, yeah, the Empress. Okay. Some of you, there's this energy na parang wanting na makausap ka pero hindi pa lang kayang makipag-usap sa'yo. Could be a fire sign, Taurus, Virgo, Libra, and another, or sabihin nating earth sign. Okay? Check nyo po yung spam ninyo, message request. Okay? Mga ganyang bagay. Mga ganyan. No? Or maybe nasa inbox mo na natabunan lang. There's this something, an important message. What else? Fire signs. The Ace of Cups in reversed. Meron talaga ditong hindi makapagbigay ng kanilang love offer. Yeah, uy! A friend. There could be a friend who is into you or falling in love with you. Okay, somebody rin from the past wanting to reconcile, pero they can't. See? Nagiging burden na to sa kanila. Yung pakikipag-reconcile na hindi nila magawa. Some of you, there could be a friend na gusto lang makipag-ayos. Anong meron dyan? Anong meron? Eventually, mangyayari din naman. Okay? Mangyayari din naman. It's like, parang yung way niya is hindi ganun kaseryoso. or gagawa ng isang way para lang magkaroon kayo ng reconnection or communication. Okay, it's like out of nowhere, random stuff, random messages like that, para lang may ma-open pagdating sa communication. Okay, so there. Okay, simple lang na message. Next, okay, our water signs. Hi, water signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please. Oo. Okay, so napaka-importante, napakahalaga ng ating pagganyan, no? Kung kayo nanonood, like, yan. Yeah, big help yan sa ating channel. So, let's see, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. What's for you? Specific. Okay, mga specific. The Four of Pentacles. You could be saving. Some of you. Pwedeng ikaw itong parang may mga pag-iipunan. Ha? Okay. Two of Wands. Could be travel. Regarding travel. Okay. So, kung ngayon meron kang paggastos na gagawin, anong mangyayari? Let's see. Anong meron? Anong kalalabasan? The Tower in reverse. Oh, hindi mo mapipigilan. Or sabihin nating kahit gustong-gusto mo, pigilan yung sarili mo, hindi mo magagawa. Okay, yeah. The Sun, nandun yung excitement, nandun yung sabihin natin gustong-gusto mo to. Anyway, so, pwedeng may ganyang mangyari this day. Or kung kailan mo to napanood. Mga ganyang bagay. Okay? So, may hirapan kang i-avoid itong nakikita kong paggastos. Okay, so what else? Some of you, there's somebody na pwedeng trying na mag-reach out at hindi mo siya ma-avoid. I don't know who's who. I don't know who. What else? Water signs. The Four of Wands in reverse. Redecorating. I'm hearing redecorating. Okay. Some of you pwedeng may aayusin or may fix sa bahay. What's with this Four of Wands in reverse? Yeah. The King of Pentacles. So, siguro, yung nakikita nating paggastos is patungkol sa bahay. Patungkol sa bahay. Some of you, I'm hearing na pwedeng mag-usap kayo ng iyong boss. Okay? I don't know kung anong pag-uusapan. Let's see. The Seven of Wands in reverse, the Six of Wands. So, your potential. Okay? The world. The potential. Okay? So, may chance na pwedeng ma-promote ka. Like that. Mabigyan ka ng increase or ma-recognize like somebody na pwedeng mabibigyan ng award. Parang ganon. I don't know. Could be perfect attendance. Okay, nung nakaraan, 'di ba? Parang ganon. Yeah, mga ganyang bagay lang. Simple. Oo. What else for water signs? The Four of Cups in reverse. Okay, I'll get this. Oh, the Ace of Swords. Nakita ko sa utak ko kanina yung Ace of Swords. So now, andito na siya. Okay, somebody is sad. They want to reach out. Pero hindi nila alam kung paano sisimulan, anong sasabihin ko. Yeah, they're looking guarded, strong, parang ganyan. Some of them, they're just waiting, sit down, parang naka-sit down lang siya, sitting down, waiting. Anyway, so what's with this? Ace of Swords in reverse. Yeah, pag-iisip lang to, paghihintay. Kung sino man to. They want justice sa inyo. In general. Okay, the Page of Wands. Gusto nito na magkaroon ng pagkakaayos sa inyong dalawa. Yeah. Okay, so you have here 444. Talking about stability, energy of stability for you water signs. Okay, so 444. So another 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. You have here all 4. You have here 4 4s, no? So, tingnan niyo sa Google kung ano pa ba ang another message from universe, kung anong meron sa angel number 4444. So 4 4s. Okay? So hindi lang siya tatlong 4. Anyway, so there. Okay, next. Our earth signs. Hi earth signs. Okay, again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Big help sa ating channel. Okay, ang pagla-like ninyo, pagre-react, mga ganyang bagay. So, let's see what is for our earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, try natin na talagang specific ang ating mga makukuha, no, na energy. Okay? Earth signs. The Page of Cups. So there is an offer coming in. There is an offer. Could be a love offer. Who is this Page of Cups? Anong meron? Ooh, see? The two of Cups. So meron ditong gustong makipag-connect sa'yo, like emotionally. Okay, emotion. Somebody wants a relationship with you or a connection in general. Okay, so is this, tingnan natin. They felt a strong connection with you though. Page of Cups. Who are they? Somebody na pwedeng younger. Somebody who is younger. Could be a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. The Queen of Pentacles. Some of you could have age gap or age differences. Gusto ka ng taong to, yun nga lang, sabihin nating nakakakuha siya ng comfort from you. Or pwedeng gusto niya ng connection with you, a strong connection with you because, yeah, they felt a strong, sabihin natin, they felt supported. Parang ganyan. Parang available ka dito. Kaya feeling niya, okay, I'll give you this. I'll give you whatsoever na pwede kong ibigay sa'yo. Yeah. Anong meron? Anong kailangan nung malaman? They need you actually. They need you. They need you. They need na magkaroon ng connection with you. And the Wheel of Fortune in reversed. The Hierophant in reversed. I don't know kung sino dito ang parang hindi available, like totally available. There is issue here, I think. There's issue. So what else? Masyado na tayo nalalim doon sa isa. What else for earth signs? Queen of Swords in reversed. Somebody's angry. Mad. Why? Could be a Libra. Could be a Libra. Who is this? Queen of Swords in reversed. The Knight of Swords in reverse. Somebody na nagkakos ng delays, procrastinations. Some of you meron dito kasing nagagalit or sabihin natin yan, nagagalit. Kung sino man to, siya yung parang hindi nakikipag-usap or nakakakuha ng inconsistency. Parang ganyan. Okay? Yung parang hindi marunong sumunod or parang hindi marunong maging committed. Okay? What's with this Knight of Swords in reversed? Why? Why the Knight of Swords in reversed? Yeah. The Seven of Wands. There's tension, I think. Somebody is putting effort. Kasi, and yung isa is hindi. Okay? Kaya parang ano ba yan? Parang ganun. May maraming napapansin. Parang ganyan. Avoid ninyo na magkaroon ng arguments with a fire sign or air sign. Okay? Kasi babalik ta rin lang kayo rin ito. You have to avoid them. You have to avoid them. Okay? Or avoid the situation na magkakos ng arguments. What else for earth signs? The King of Wands in reversed. Who's that? King of Wands in the reversed. Oh, the juggler. Oh my gosh. This person has options. Five of Swords. The Ace of Swords in reverse. Somebody is cheating on you, earth signs. This person is cheating. Yeah. I'm sorry. So, sino ba to? A juggler. Anong meron? Anong kailangan mong malaman kung alam mong itong taong to is talaga nag-cheat na sa'yo? Anong kailangang malaman? May nakita tayo, Five of Cups kanina. Pinakita ko. That's regrets. Could be regrets. Okay? So, anong kailangan mong malaman dito sa taong to? Talagang jinagal-jagal ka? The Devil. Here they come again. Some of you, hindi ka pa rin totally nakaka-detach dito sa connection na to. Okay? The Ace of Pentacles. Some of you, may chance na sabihin nating magkakaroon ng pagbabago pagdating dito sa taong to na alam nyong wala nang ginawa kundi sirain or magbigay ng negativity sa'yo. But now, this time, I'm hearing them na parang gustong-gusto na nila na magkaroon ng stepping up or leveling up pagdating sa situation. Now, they're wanting this. What's going on? The Ace of Pentacles. Now they want serious connection with you. Are you in or are you out? O, diba? So, yeah, a decision. Six of Pentacles. I think some of you, hindi mo na ito hinahabol. Siya na ang maghahabol sa'yo this time. Yeah, they have regrets. I told you. Yeah, yun ang kailangan mong malaman dito sa nag-juggle sa'yo. Sa nag-cheat sa'yo. Kung meron man na dumaranas ng niloloko ngayon, yeah, they will regret this afterwards. At ikaw naman ang hahabulin. Okay? Makukonsensya sila. Again, the Six of Pentacles. The Queen of Cups. So, it's like, sila na yung parang magiging obsessed dito sa connection. I don't know why. I don't know how. Pero that's a message. Okay? So there, yun ang aking reading for you. All signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page and yung atin pong second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Right there. Ating love letter. So again, thank you. Goodbye.